My name is Rafia Jafar and I studied the University of London LLB Honours Programme and I graduated from it in 2014. Later on, I also studied the Master of Arts in Education programme from the University of Nottingham and graduated from that in 2021. Currently, I am the head of the law programme at Zabist University, which is one of the oldest University of London recognised teaching centres in Pakistan. When I was a young student making the choice of a career, the lawyers' movement in Pakistan was in full swing. It was a very inspiring movement where the legal fraternity came together and stood up to a military dictator. As a young student, it inspired me, and I thought if I pursued the LLB degree, I would have a career where I could also positively impact the community around me. Initially, I wanted to go to the UK to pursue an LLB degree. However, I could not go so far away from home due to some practical concerns. I chose to come to Zabist instead because Zabist would give me an internationally recognized LLB degree at the same time as providing me a well-rounded university experience. Here I could get involved in a lot of extracurricular activities, I could interact with a diverse group of student body, and I could also learn from teachers who were working legal professionals, which gave me an exposure into the real world as well. My favorite thing about this degree was that it gave me the best of both worlds. It gave me a world-renowned UK LLB degree, and at the same time, while I was studying it, I was connected to the legal field in Pakistan through faculty members who were working professionals. This ensured that while I was gaining my academic degree, I also had networking opportunities and internship opportunities which gave me real-world exposure. My degree is the foundation of my career. I could not be in legal education without my LLB degree. At the same time, the academic rigor polished my skills and ensured that when I stepped out into the real world, I had skills equipped to deal with it. I have a lot of wonderful memories of studying at Zabist. One of my most favorite things about studying here was that we could always have discussions with our faculty members about the legal system of Pakistan and the political situation here. My career goal now is to build the best law school in Pakistan. A program that truly understands the needs of the students, the environment they can learn in, the pedagogies that are best suited to them, as well as understands the requirements of the legal field and bridges the gap between the two. My goal is to produce legal professionals who enhance the level of competence of the legal field in Pakistan and positively impact it. My advice to prospective students is to not take shortcuts. While it makes sense to work smart and not work hard, that does not mean that you don't put in the hard work where required. Your undergraduate degree will give you plenty of opportunities to polish your skills. Take them because you will be grateful once you step into the real world and have to face challenges there.